this instead.
It rots your bones, and I need mine.
I have a hunch this is gonna be a long partnership, so it'd be awesome if you smoked.
I'm only smoking one. This is the first and last cigarette I'll ever light up.
Yes, I win! Here, use my lighter.
Pretty terrible mentoring, forcing a minor to smoke.
Wait, you're a minor?
Yeah?
Well, obviously smoking's out for you, duh. Give it here. I'll just have to hang on to this. Back in the pack it goes. I'll return it one day, though. As soon as you're a full-fledged grown-up, ready for a good addiction.